Volkswagen how to remove the lug nut covers. So in the back, you will find this lug nut tool where your spare tire should be. So it looks like a T-bit, but a T-bit will not work. So make sure you use a crochet hook or the provided tool from Volkswagen. Put it in, pops right out. This is about the 100th vehicle I have Plasti Dipped the wheels on. Plasti Dip is very forgiving. The key to it is prep work. Go ahead and get some brake cleaner, get some tire cleaner, soap water, clean the wheels twice, let them dry completely, even use a blow dryer or a leaf blower. After that, go ahead and get a dry microfiber, wipe it down again. Go ahead and use these playing cards or anything that you could do this with, and I'll show you up next the process. The key to this also is light coats at first. You don't want any drip. Plastic Dip is pretty forgiving, but you still don't want drip. And the key to Plasti Dip is to apply about 5 layers and let it dry in between, because if you ever want to remove it in the future, it's a lot easier with a thick coat, and also it's more durable. We're almost 2 cans in. The goal is for 1 can per wheel. And then after that, use glossifier. But here's an update on how it's looking. It's looking phenomenal. So right here, you can see this happens time to time. It's an air bubble. What you want to do is get a toothpick and poke it and go ahead and spray some more coats. We're done with the 4 cans, about to start with the glossifier clear coat. Glossifier, keep it 8 inches away. It will spit out little bubbles, but don't worry, they will dry. Just try not to make it excessive. The farther away the can is, the less likely the little clear coat bubbles will hop onto the rim. All right, here's the finished products. 4 cans of Plasti Dip and 2 cans of glossifier. Looks phenomenal. Makes this car look great. Next will be window tint and blacking out the taillights.